The CPA Business Environment and Concepts exam is your gateway to a rewarding career in accounting. It's a challenging exam, but don't worry, we're here to help you conquer it. One of the most effective ways to prepare is by utilizing CPA Practice Exams. Think of these practice exams as your secret weapon. They simulate the actual exam experience, allowing you to familiarize yourself with the format, question types, and time constraints. By taking practice exams regularly, you'll gain valuable insights into your strengths and weaknesses, enabling you to focus your study efforts where they matter most. Ready to put your knowledge to the test? Access a free BEC Practice Exam here. Insert URL to a practice exam for BC. Remember, practice makes perfect. Incorporate practice exams into your study routine to boost your confidence and enhance your exam day performance. Now that you understand the importance of practice exams, let's dive into some key preparation strategies to help you ace the BC exam. Start early. Don't wait until the last minute to start studying. Give yourself ample time to cover all the topics thoroughly. Create a study plan. Develop a structured study plan that outlines your study goals, timelines, and resources. Break down the syllabus into manageable chunks and allocate specific study time for each. Understand the exam format. Familiarize yourself with the BEC exam format, including the number of sections, question types, and time limits. This will help you manage your time effectively during the actual exam. Review study materials. Utilize high-quality study materials such as textbooks, review courses, and online resources. Make sure the materials you choose are up to date and aligned with the latest exam syllabus. The BEC exam covers a wide range of business concepts and their applications in real-world scenarios. Here's a breakdown of the main topics you can expect to encounter. Business environment and concepts. This section assesses your understanding of fundamental business principles, including economics, corporate governance, financial management, and information systems. Financial management. This section focuses on financial statement analysis, budgeting, forecasting, and working capital management. Information technology. This section covers IT concepts relevant to accounting, such as cybersecurity, data analytics, and enterprise resource planning systems. Operations management. This section tests your knowledge of operations management principles, including supply chain management, quality control, and process improvement. Section 4, Time Management Mastery, making every minute count. Effective time management is crucial for success in the BC exam. Here are some tips to help you make the most of your study time. First, set realistic goals. Break down your study sessions into smaller, manageable chunks. Avoid cramming as it can lead to burnout and reduced retention. Next, prioritize topics. Identify your strengths and weaknesses and allocate more study time to areas where you need improvement. Another tip is to use a timer. Practice answering questions under timed conditions to improve your speed and accuracy. And finally, take breaks. Regular breaks can help you stay focused and prevent mental fatigue. Step away from your studies every hour or so to clear your head and recharge. Section 5, Resources for Success, your BEC Study Companions. Equipping yourself with the right resources can significantly enhance your BC exam preparation. Here are some valuable resources to consider. First, Wiley CPA Excel. Our comprehensive review course offers in-depth coverage of all BC exam topics, practice questions, and mock exams. Second, the AICPA website. The American Institute of Certified Public Accountants website provides valuable information about the exam, including the latest syllabus and sample questions. And study groups. Joining a study group can provide support, motivation, and opportunities for collaborative learning. Remember, the journey to becoming a CPA is challenging but incredibly rewarding. Stay focused, believe in yourself, and never give up on your dreams. You've got this.